jump yet.
SPLA viva! SPLA viva! Division viva! Red viva! Hakim Sharma viva! Kule viva!
Charge.
Edun.
Hey.
They are greedy. They lack vision for the land. They are very good. I want to tell you what happened in 2013. How people were murdered. Men, the entire family wiped out. The entire neighborhood wiped out.
Mới cả tấm bài của tôi nữa.
That's the way to it.
Mới cả tấm giờ mới cả tấm nhà luôn mà đi sang cái okay. Peace. Balel. Oh. Okay. Kalas kuis. Tidak ada tawar.
They did not come there about Dokoya. But Dokoya is only one man.
Còn ngày tajer quan yếu nó chạy vô giờ là mới riêng này đâu có để cho bạn ấy quá giúp không thể để $1 quá $1
They did everything possible to kill Dokoya. When they did not get him, they killed others. Blackwater. They went to Dubai, look for farms to hunt down Dokoya. They have done everything they could. But Dokoya survived. They went there. Robert Malone was active. They went to Long. They went to Baga. They went to Longichok. They went to Unity State, to Eastern Equatoria, where my constituency is, and displaced all of them, killed them. But the same Tabande fled in 2013. If it was good, why did he run away? Should have remained in his house, which was attacked also in 2013. His house was attacked. They did not get him. He said the Lord was detained. Now he's praising the person who detained him. Is there sanity? Is there humanity? They don't have humanity at all. They don't deserve any respect. What is wrong remains wrong. Even if it's your relative who is doing wrong, you must be firm on that. It went. Those of Comramli, like two Bishop, Richard, for Toy, they got him in town. Because when dogfight occurred, Toy was in J1. When Dr. Riek was to leave to go to side 1, he had to be escorted. And IG said we shall give somebody to escort Dr. Riek, but we want security guarantee for the person who will go. You leave Toy behind. So that we know that one will be safe, he will also be safe here. When that one happened, Toy was locked in town. This is how he remained. And then he gave up. There are those who left. They left behind people in Bundes, POC. They left behind those who died. Those in refugee camp. They don't care about them. It's about the integrity of a person. How about those ones? I'm talking about those who left IO. But there are those ones also in South who are also defected. Others have defected, and defected. Some of them have formed for themselves briefcase parties. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they are neither moving forward or moving backward. At the end, you hear they are negotiating with the regime. And everybody who wants to defect must curse IO, must curse Dr. Riek. If you are not heard insulting Dr. Riek and his wife, your value is not there. But if the regime hears you have insulted Dr. Riek properly, then you say, Aiwa, you come. You will be rewarded, given a V8. Some of these V8s are even rented. After 2 weeks, they take it away. But you have already defected. You cannot now go back. And if you are military men, they give you weapons to go to your area, like those of Simon Maguire. In Juba, he was meant to defect. Then they get him, take him to land. I'm happy with the people of land. When Simon Maguire arrived, everybody ran away. He remained alone. He got stranded. Then they had to take him to Juba. B1, the same story. In law, recently he was sent. They let him go and capture Akobo. before we captured Banjul and the rest, they were sent to go and destabilize the whole area. But the way they fled from what? And UI, I'm sure they will tell the stories very well. Is IO mobilizing all South Sudanese? We are sending out our message. If our message resonates with your interest, with your ideology, IO has an open door for you.
SPLA IO.
We shall not buy you with money. We shall not buy you with positions. But we shall tell you what kind of South Sudan we want. If you are from the 64 tribe and you want that kind of South Sudan, you are welcome. And join us. Are we going back to peace agreement? The peace agreement, as it is now, is dead. The agreement has been destroyed and destroyed and destroyed. There is nothing left there. Only scripts, archives. Even if somebody say the agreement is back, the spirit is not there. You can only bring the text of the agreement. But the spirit is gone. We don't trust Salva Kiir anymore. You can violate the same agreement. We are going, if there is any dialogue, we are going to review everything.
Okay.
We'll review everything. So the agreement, ladies and gentlemen, is dead in the hands of Salva Kiir. What we are now in is a struggle. It's a liberation struggle for a regime change. The questions are done. I want to pass my sincere appreciation to all of you who made your time out of your busy schedule to come to this. Some of you dropped long distance to come here. You came because you love South Sudan, because you love the people of South Sudan. Whether you are a woman, you are a man, you are young, or you are old, you love your country. You have demonstrated patriotism, nationalism, which I did not expect. I heard people are driving miles and miles to come. And they will again drive to other areas where I may visit. I want you to keep this spirit and make it strong. Dr. Riak will be free.
SPLA viva! Dr. Majar viva!
We will be released together with all our colleagues. If anything happened to any of them, The one holding them in Juba will be accountable. Especially Dr. Young. If anything happens to him, that country will be in a very terrible shape. I know of countries whose presidents or vice presidents were killed in a mysterious circumstance. And the history of those countries changed completely. I don't want to wish anything to South Sudan. But those who are holding our political detainees must take into account what I'm talking about. For South Sudan will remain one country. And those who are imposing dictatorship and rejecting federalism, that country will disintegrate. Imposition of rule, like we are still under colonialism, is not accepted. And that is what is in your heart. I can see it. That you wish South Sudan well, and the people of South Sudan well. You work with your leaders. Some of you will be appointed to positions of responsibility here, in USA, in Canada, in Australia, in Europe, UK. Take up those responsibilities. You will climb the ladder of ranks and profile of your party. You will be known. Your type of leadership, your leadership qualities will be known. So that tomorrow, if the leadership of the party takes decisions, you will not be a stranger. You will not be a stranger in the party. Now I've seen your faces. We meet after 1 year or 2 years. I know we have met. You have driven long distance to come and attend this rally. To come and interact with your leader. So thank you very much for coming. And I wish you all the best as you go back. And you will remain in Nebraska, a historical place where all leaders of South Sudan visited, remain in peace and united.
Nebraska Viva!
You keep our custom, our culture. Don't forget your roots. Keep the unity of your family. Take care of your wife.
Women Viva!
And wives, take care of your husbands.
في يونايتد ستيتس الناس اللي حضروا الليله الخطاب بتاع الرئيس المكلف 15000 في يونايتد ستيتس في نبراسكا 15000 كتاب يجوا الليله ده في محل القاعد فيه حاكم شيرمان في SPLA IO ده لمبه كبير 12000 لازم اللي يعني بيرفع 12000 من ده 12000 الناس العمل الكتاب بتاع
يصير كورة ملايا قارة كورة ملايا
الناس الجو الليلة جاي يدروا كتاب بتاع رئيس المكلف 12,000
ya, ya. Hey, biết rồi đấy, biết rồi liền đó. À, mấy người tao qua này, đẹp quá.